Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Messenger notes not showing. So first, you just have to simply update Messenger application. Make sure you're using the latest version of Messenger. If you're using Google Play Store or if you're using Android or App Store, just basically go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then just type Messenger right here. And then if you see the update button, and all you have to do is to click that one and then wait as it is updating your messenger. Somehow it will fix the problem. If not, then the next thing to do is restart the application. You can close the messenger app completely and reopen it. This can refresh app, fix minor glitches. Number three, clear cache. You just have to long press the messenger application right here. Tap on app info. And then here you have to look for storage. Now, under storage, you have to look for clear cache. All you have to do is tap on clear cache. Don't clear data unless necessary. Now, see if this method works. If not, check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi, or mobile data. Next, log out and log back. Sometimes refreshing your account helps. In Messenger, tap your profile picture, scroll down and tap log out, and log back again. Now, next is reinstall Messenger application. If this doesn't fix anything, uninstall Messenger, then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. This fixes corrupted files or bugs. And then lastly, report the issue to Facebook. If the problem persists, report it via Messenger, tap your profile picture, report the problem. Something isn't working. And basically that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.